Hi guys, I have to record this video because my main video was recorded several hours before the invasion. Unfortunately, it happens, and that's why just use my video with a grain of salt. And I'm really upset about this situation, but it is what it is. So stay cautious and be safe. What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Luna token. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when we formed this shooting star candle, and I've told you that for now we don't have enough confirmation to hit the most aggressive target, and the most aggressive one was at $117.8. But instead of this, we still had very good gains from the most recent price action. And for those of you who enter your position right here at this very range, your potential profits might be up to 37% to first target and up to 50% to second target. And definitely it was a very good trades because we hit these targets in a matter of just several days. And right here I've told you that we don't have enough confirmation of next movement, and that's why you have to stay aside from any trades. And as you can see, we went slightly higher to this range and then we went lower, deeply lower in the retracement. So I will show you my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the total sentiment for the market. And for now we are sitting at $1.67 trillion of total market cap. It is a 1.15% decrease over the last day, and all major cryptocurrencies are in red. Bitcoin lost about 3%, Ethereum lost about 2.5%, and BNB lost about 3% as well. And on a 7-day period they lost double-digit numbers. Bitcoin lost about 16%, Ethereum lost about 18.1%, and BNB lost about 14.6%. So the only token that is in green is Terra Luna, and it has about 6.3% on 24 hours period and 5.38% on 7 days period. And let's continue with its numbers. It has a total market cap of $22.82 billion. It is a 5.72% increase over the last day, and the total tradable volume is $3.29 billion. It is an increase of 43.41%. Definitely, the movement to the upside with increase in volume shows the potential trend, and we might see the trend continuation. But what was the reason of this movement, despite of the total negative sentiment on the market? And let me show you right here. We have this article that was published 12 hours ago, and it says Terra avoids Ukraine concerns, rallying 18% in 3 days. Can Luna price reach $200 next? And let me quote you this. Terra Luna has fared better than its top crypto rivals when it comes to withstanding the negative market impacts of the ongoing Ukraine-Russia conflict. Luna's price rallied nearly 18% this week to over $58, more than Bitcoin, whose returns in the same period came out to be a little over 1.5%. And let me show you this tweet that was published on February 23rd, and it says, the Luna Foundation Guard has closed a $1 billion private token sale to establish a decentralized UST Forex reserve denominated in BTC. And let me show you this news in details. We are on the blog crypto.com, and this article was published on February 22nd, and it says Luna Foundation Guard raises $1 billion to form Bitcoin reserve for UST stablecoin. And let me quote you this. The capital will be used to create a new reserve that can act as a release valve for UST redemptions during sell-offs in crypto markets. Jump Crypto and Three Arrows Capital led the rise, with Republic Capital, GSR, Tribe Capital, Defiance Capital and others also participating. And definitely $1 billion in this investment is a very good number, and definitely it was the major catalyst why Luna is skyrocketing now. And let me show you that for now it has a huge volume on a daily time frame. As you can see, huge volume. And in my opinion, we might see the trend continuation if the sentiment will continue. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you the Bitcoin price action, and I added this chart, and let me show you that for now Luna completely disrespects the price of Bitcoin. And definitely it is a very good sign for Luna that it uses its own catalysts to form the price. And definitely it is a very good sign, because for now it is the only token on the crypto market that has this disrespect on Bitcoin price chart. And let me show you the bigger picture. Right here, as you can see, we have several waves, and in my opinion we have from the Elliott wave perspective something like this. This might be our first wave, this is our second. Right here it is quite tricky, but in my opinion we have, this is our top of the third wave, this is the bottom of the fourth wave, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 waves completed structure to the top of the fifth wave. And if it is the case, we have to retrace the entire movement to the downside, and we can pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top. And what do we have right here? We have decent retracement, and we hit 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of roughly $52. And from this range we have a movement to the upside with increasing volume. But let me show you in details, and I don't need another scale right now, but let me show you in details that if I switch to 4 hours time frame, the most recent movement right here has a very meaningful structure. We have 3 waves structure in our A wave, and it is right here. We have 1, 2 and 3 5 wave structure in our B wave, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 wave structure in our C wave. And let me show you that if I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the top of this retracement to the bottom of the A wave and to the top of the B wave, right here we have very good confluence with 1-to-1 extension, and statistically it is the most probable range that we should hit in order to complete the retracement, and we hit it, and we have very good bounce. So I think from this range, from the bottom of the C wave, we can hit higher targets, and definitely this movement to the upside that exceed the previous swing high shows the huge upside potential for this asset. So let's dive deep into this movement, and let's switch to hourly time frame. What do we have right here? As you can see, the most recent movement to the upside has several waves, and in my opinion we have something like this. This is our first wave. Second, probably we have this is the top of our third, or right here we have only 2 wave structure. Probably we might have another leg to the upside to form our third wave, and it is the confusing part. But if it is the top, we have to have the retracement to the fourth one, and we have to hit our next highest point with the top of our fifth wave. So what should we expect next if we want to catch the trade, or if we want to invest in this asset? In my opinion, we have a decent movement to the upside from its swing low, and if you want to invest, just accumulate your position on every daily red candle if you will have this opportunity. And your stop loss, if you want to set it up, might be right here at the bottom of this swing low, and it is roughly 27%. Definitely it is a huge movement to the downside, but from the investor standpoint it is quite decent movement, because you have to accumulate your position all the way down, and this will reduce your potential downside. So, and what should you do if you want to catch the trade? In my opinion, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, if it is the top of the third wave, and if we won't hit higher targets to form our third wave at this range. somewhere here, we can land at the golden pocket pattern, and it is the price point of $54.57 to $55.13. And if we'll go this deep, definitely it will be a good accumulation point for you to catch next movement to the upside and to enter basically your major position with Luna. But first of all, definitely you have to do your own due diligence. So I think if this video will collect enough views and likes, I will do another update to project several targets, medium and long-term targets for Luna. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!